यह सीधा सीधा किसी एक कंपनी को लाभ पहुंचाने के लिए भ्रष्टाचार का मामला है। और जैसा हम पहले कहते रहे हैं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी वीरभद्र सिंह जी का तुरंत इस्तीफा मांगती है और इसके लिए हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी दबाव भी बनाएगी। लेकिन हम प्रश्न करना चाहते हैं सोनिया गांधी जी से, हम प्रश्न करना चाहते हैं राहुल जी से, जो लोकपाल बिल को पारित करने की।
All right, we've been getting reactions from all political parties, from the BSP, from the BJP. We also spoke to political activist Tehseen Poolawala. We're also asking our viewers to call us up on the numbers flashing on your screens. We are being joined by Sandeep from Noida this afternoon. Sandeep, go ahead. What is your reaction to that statement issued by UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav?
Well, actually, it's absolutely disgusting to see the way he's trying to justify it. And I think enough people will complain about it. But I think the important part is that we should remember that we have something known as a vote. And we will give them a fitting reply, I think, in the elections that are about to come in a couple of months. And the best way is to throw them out lock, stock and barrel.
Absolutely. Sandeep, thanks so much for sharing your views with us. We're also being joined by Professor Patil, another viewer who's joining us this afternoon. Professor Patil, go ahead. Do you think that Akhilesh Yadav's justification for that Saifai festival, that extravaganza that we saw while people were dying in Muzaffarnagar, will actually hold any water, and will people in UP be actually convinced with this argument? But we seem to have lost that line. We're asking our viewers to call us and share your views. We just heard a press conference from Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav, where he tried to issue a justification for the Saifai festival, which has been seeing performances from major Bollywood celebrities. Let's try and listen in to that statement issued by Akhilesh Yadav a short while back.
कोई अगर आर्टिस्ट आया है सैफई में, उसके पिताजी से सवाल जवाब आप करते हैं। अगर सवाल जवाब करना है मुजफ्फरनगर के, मैं तैयार हूं उसके लिए। और जो किसी चीज का सामना करना है, मुझे सामना करना है। लेकिन कमरे में बैठ गए, आप ही जज हो गए, आप ही ज्यूरी हो गए, आप ही प्रोसिक्यूशन कर रहे हैं। ये कौन सा तरीका है? लोकतंत्र को अगर मजबूत बनाना है तो मैं समझता हूं कहीं ना कहीं मीडिया का भी रोल इतना अच्छा हो जिससे लाभ जनता को मिले, और राजनीतिक दल कोई भी हो उसको भी अपनी बात संदेश पहुंचाने जनता के बीच में मौका मिले। 5 और 6 करोड़ और ज्यादा से ज्यादा 7 करोड़ हर वर्ष होता है, उतना ही खर्च हुआ है इस वर्ष भी। हाँ, आप लिख दीजिए मैक्सिमम 10 करोड़ से ज्यादा कभी नहीं हुआ, 7-8 करोड़ ही खर्च होता है, और उसका बाकायदा चंदा या सहयोग मांग करके हम लोग करते हैं, चाहे सरकार हो चाहे न हो। अब बाद वो कार्यक्रम होते हैं।
Well, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister saying that the Saifai festival was all about showcasing work of local artisans. We're being joined by a viewer this afternoon, UG Gupta. Sir, go ahead. How do you react to that statement issued by him?
Yeah, after seeing all this kind of drama, I feel that it is my state where I was born. Why this state is being headed by a headless people? We must have somebody who should have head inside their brain. They should be thrown out of from the chair right now. No, not even 1 second they have a right to rule my state.
Absolutely. Thank you, Mr. Gupta, for sharing your views. We're also being joined by Colonel Rath. So how do you react to the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister's defense for the Saifai festival?
The justification by this young man is atrocious. And time has come now that these netas and these dynastic rule parties, they should be taught a lesson. And I'm sure either it is the Aam Aadmi Party or somebody will take over this UP and the better administration will prevail. Thank you.
All right. Our viewers basically saying that with these kind of statements, Akhilesh cannot really expect too much support for his party in the upcoming 2014 elections. Let's listen in once again to Akhilesh Yadav, who instead of addressing the matters decided to hit out at the media, instead saying that they've been misreporting facts.
मुजफ्फरनगर में सवाल करना तो मैं तैयार हूं सवाल देने के जवाब देने के लिए। अच्छा, हमसे सिंपल मिल जाएगा कोई? हमसे सिंपल मिल जाएगा? आराम से बैठ के पूछो ना, क्यों घबरा रहे हो? घबरा क्यों रहे हो?
That was Akhilesh Yadav hitting out at the media, accusing them of cooking up stories. He said that the expenditure on the Saifai festival is not 300 crores as is being reported by some news organizations, but only 7 to 8 crores. Of course, our viewers have been calling and asking how much the Chief Minister actually spent on inviting those movie stars to perform in Saifai. We're also being joined by another viewer from Palakkad, Will, who's joining us on the phone line. Will, how do you react to that statement from the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister?
That is absolute nonsense. He should be lynched like people being lynched in Saudi Arabia. The Chief Minister as well as the participants, the stars, they have to be lynched. What sort of a tourism is he trying to promote in culture? Is this the culture of the country? Showing their half breast and shaking their buttocks and all that.
Right. Absolutely, a lot of anger amongst the citizens against the Uttar Pradesh administration, talking about tourism when there are thousands of people battling against the cold, living in relief camps after the Muzaffarnagar riots. Thanks so much for speaking to Headlines today.